I have a MMA filament, I have a 3D signage printer, tada! 3D MMA printed signs. Look, in front of me are 12 signs in different colors and styles, all created by 3D signage printers. In the last episode, I introduced the 3D diamond sparkling sign. Today, I will be showing you the 3D front lead sign. Now let's take a look at the 3D front lead sign. This sign is designed to showcase a smooth, evenly illuminated surface. What's more, its side lighting can be customized to produce various visual effects. By combining translucent material and opaque material, we can achieve layer light and shadow effects, including backlighting. At night, this truly delivered a distinctive illuminated glow effect. Compared to traditional techniques and materials, these side lighting effects are much easier and more efficient when using 3D printing technology. If your designs are detailed and colorful, you can also combine 3D printing with UV printing. This allows the intricate graphics are printed directly onto the surface of the 3D printed material, perfectly conveying your brand and message, especially in the dark. And of course, I can help you to achieve have-it-all idea, combining diamond sparkling sign and front lead sign in one sign. Cool, right? If you are interested in 3D printing or 3D printed sign, please feel free to leave a comment or reach out directly. See you next episode.